Please don't go. I really need you. I am very tired. I am hunger. Please don't go. Allah will see who can help me and did not do so. I am here to ask for help for my brothers and children. Can you hear us out? We live in danger. We live in very difficult life here in the Gaza Strip. Please help us. Please. No food, no water, no market, no job. I am very tired. Please help us. Donate as much as you can. The link in bio. Share my voice, share my story with people who can help me. Please God. Thank you.